Luscious Pineapple Upside Down Cupcakes. Prepare to embark on a flavor journey that combines the tropical sweetness of pineapple with the moist decadence of cupcakes and a delightful twist on a classic dessert, Pineapple Upside Down Cupcakes. These individual treats are not just adorable, they're bursting with pineapple goodness and guaranteed to brighten up any occasion. This recipe makes 12 delicious cupcakes, perfect for sharing with family and friends or indulging in a sweet solo moment. Ingredients. For the pineapple topping: 1/4 cup, half stick, unsalted butter, melted. Half cup packed brown sugar. 1 can, 20 ounces, pineapple slices, drained and patted dry. Maraschino cherries, drained and patted dry. For the cupcake batter: 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Half cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs, room temperature. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half cup pineapple juice, reserved from the canned pineapple. 1/4 cup milk. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a 12-cup muffin tin with cupcake liners. In a small bowl, combine melted butter and brown sugar. Divide the mixture evenly among the muffin cups, about 1 tablespoon in each. Place a pineapple slice in each muffin cup on top of the butter-sugar mixture. If needed, cut the slices to fit the cups. Place a maraschino cherry in the center of each pineapple slice. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a large mixing bowl, cream together softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry flour mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with pineapple juice and milk. Begin and end with the flour mixture, mixing until just combined. Do not overmix. Spoon the cupcake batter evenly over the pineapple slices in the muffin cups, filling each cup about 2/3 full. Bake in the preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Remove the cupcakes from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. Carefully invert the cupcakes onto a wire rack to cool completely. Allow the cupcakes to cool with the pineapple topping side up. Why you'll love it. Pineapple Upside Down Cupcakes offer a delightful twist on the classic cake, providing individual servings of tropical paradise in every bite. The caramelized pineapple and brown sugar topping adds a rich sweetness that complements the moist and fluffy cake perfectly. Each cupcake is a miniature masterpiece that looks as good as it tastes, making it a standout dessert for gatherings or as a special treat for yourself. These cupcakes are also a fantastic way to introduce a taste of the tropics into your baking repertoire. They are relatively easy to make but leave a lasting impression with their vibrant colors and irresistible flavors. Whether you're a seasoned baker or new to the kitchen, these cupcakes are sure to be a hit. Subscribe to our channel for more delightful dessert recipes, baking tips, and creative culinary inspirations to sweeten your life. Join us on a journey of culinary exploration and discover new ways to satisfy your sweet tooth.